Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Swati ma'am.
I hope you must have written yesterday's letter. The task was given you to write a letter to your friend. If not, still I'm giving it
Ma'am,
again.
I write letter, ma'am.
Lakshay, I have written. You are in grade 4. I
Ma'am, I
have
have
written.
written.
Yes. The address, the date, the name of your friend, everything can be true, real, or imaginary. Everything.
Ma'am,
It can be imaginary also. Oh, wow. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Ma'am, can
I
I
have to
see the
send
letter?
this.
Show me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
I tell you something. You know that today is my birthday and my mom and dad has planned a surprise, but they don't know I know the surprise because they
Oh,
both have gone up. So I thought why they have gone up. Then suddenly a voice came of blowing balloon. So I note that it is a surprise, but I will not tell them that I know.
such a good boy. Very good boy. Because you want to keep their happiness intact. You don't want to break their happiness. So good boy. This shows that how matured you are. Very good, Rudra. Very
Good
nice.
morning, ma'am.
Friends, we are 24 here. Let it be at least 30, and then we shall celebrate Rudra's birthday also. Okay? Samu, good morning.
Ma'am, I have make a letter.
Okay.
Ma'am, after 5 days, it is my birthday at 11 November.
Oh, our last day will be there, no, for the classes? Hmm.
Ma'am, you know my birthday.
You said no just now, 11 November.
Ma'am, 11/11/2011.
Oh, oh my, is it? 11, 11, 11. Oh, wow.
Yes, ma'am, and my friend's birthday is coming at 12/12/2012.
Oh, Lord. What a coincidence.
Good
What a
morning,
unique
Swati.
birthday you have. Very good morning.
Ma'am, do we have Diwali celebration in our school?
Good morning, ma'am.
It will be surprise for you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you see any difference in me?
Yes, ma'am, he has done spikes because he
Hairstyle.
has washed his hair.
Hairstyle. And can
Hairstyle.
this hairstyle is, ma'am, is this hairstyle is like, I can do this also, it will look nice. I can do this also, it will look nice.
Ma'am, he has
Okay,
put
Ayush.
gel in his hair.
Yes,
Ma'am, he has
Ayush,
put
as it
gel.
is, you are a handsome boy, so everything would look good. I think the time for class has been started. So let us stop our men's beauty parlor. Okay,
Okay,
Ayush?
ma'am.
Vivan can understand the humor very nicely, Vivan Patel. He immediately gives a sweet smile when he understands the joke. Okay, so here we are. Uh, First of all, let us celebrate Rudra's birthday. Okay, Lakshay, are you ready to celebrate Rudra's birthday? Okay, shall we
Yes.
sing a song? Yes, one,
Yes.
two, three, start.
Happy
Happy
birthday to
birthday to
you.
you.
Why only one child?
Happy birthday to
To
you.
you.
Very good, Lakshay.
Happy
Birthday to
birthday to
you.
you.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday.
Happy
So, Rudra, we
birthday.
wish you a
Bless
good,
you.
hearty, happy birthday. Enough, Lakshay, Lakshay,
Bless
Lakshay.
You. Happy
Enough, Lakshay.
birthday to
Hi,
you.
Moito. Hi, Kahan.
Hi.
So, I hope you must have written a letter. accepting the friend's invitation? Yes.
Now
So
no
today,
messages in the chat box. I request you, students.
wait. Now one has started. Everybody will start. I shall stop chatting. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Ayush, please ask.
Ma'am, in the letter writing, you said that you could do an imagine flat number, right?
Mm-hmm.
Means you can do imagine. So I was actually confused in Ekans because it was 7 or 8. I forgot it. So
It's okay, Ayush. I already told you
told
that you
this,
can
but
write down imaginary address,
yeah,
date,
I could
even name
imagine.
of the friend. You can write down imaginary. Okay.
Yeah.
So here we are. We shall start from Aryaman, then Ayansh, then Mohito, and then Freya if she's there. I want you to read the letter. Once again, the sequence will be announced. Aryaman Senghai first, Ayansh Jain, Mohito. Then I said Freya, and then Kahan Jain.
Ma'am, but I didn't write the letter.
Write the letter means? What do you mean by write the letter?
I didn't write the letter.
That is not my problem. I have already sent you a mail also and in the communication also that you have to complete it. And you know these are English activities to which you get marks always. So you cannot say that I am not done. Not acceptable at all. And from Vivan Patel? No. So here, I would like to see Aryaman Singhai. Aryaman Sanghai.
Ma'am, we have to read notebook.
Aryaman, open your notebook and start reading.
Ma'am, the letter.
And where is Ayansh Jain? Yes, Ayansh, I want you to read first Aryaman and then Ayansh.
Ma'am, we have to read letter.
Yes, Aryaman. What was yesterday's homework that I want you to read? Start reading. And Vivan, instead of wasting time, start writing it right now.
Yes,
I
I'm
cannot give
writing
you. No
letter only.
excuses will be accepted.
From Ariman Sanghai. From Ariman address, floor number second. Floor number second.
It's okay. You
Date.
have written the address, right? Okay, address, date. Then you start from dear. You start from dear. Dear and whatever is your name of the friend.
Okay.
Start.
Dear Kahan, hello. How are you? How the weather there? It is extremely warm. I hope everyone else is doing well. I am busy. I am busy here with my work, and there is lot of work to be done. The time is extremely fierce. I can't wait to meet you. I will be coming. I will be coming to school for study. I will have to meet up then. Do write back soon. I'm waiting for a reply. Take care. Love, Araman.
Good, Aryaman. Very nice. Ayansh, it is your turn. Start, please, Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am. 402 Ajanta Apartment. Date 1st November 2020. Dear Jahan, thank you for your letter, inviting me to attend your birthday party next Monday. I am very glad to receive your invitation to your birthday party. I think that it will really be an enjoyable occasion to meet friends and have fun and music. I have accepted your invitation and I and will be present in time. Your sincere Ayan Jain.
Wonderful, Ayansh. Nice. All these spellings are correct?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
look so sweet, my chubby cheeks. Very nice you have written. Okay, good. So nicely you are smiling. See, I like you, Ayansh. So here we are with after Ayansh, who was there? Whose turn was there after Ayansh?
And
Yes, Mickey.
Ma'am, Mohit.
Freya.
Yes, Priya. Yes, Mickey, you
Ma'am,
want to ask me anything?
ma'am, can I speak in between?
Ma'am, because of an internet
Yes,
error,
yes.
I just joined it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
what
We
are
are
we
reading
doing?
yesterday, Mickey dear. We are reading yesterday's homework one by one. Okay, we are not yet started writing
So
anything.
we didn't
Yes,
write anything, right?
we have not yet started anything to write, Mickey. We are just reading the letters. Yes, Priya.
Which one?
Ma'am, can I say something?
Oh, yes,
Yes.
Ayush, please. Priya, just a minute. Huh? Yes, Ayush.
Sorry, sorry to interrupt, ma'am. But as you respect to Ayansh that all the spellings were right, I also sent you a message and I think two spellings were wrong.
Okay, that when the notebooks will be checked at that time because see, there are some limitations with this online education. So we will have to get adjusted with it when the school will start and when I will actually check your notebooks, that time it can be eradicated. Yeah, Ayush.
Yes.
So you dear, please start.
Okay. Ma'am, the date is 5th November
Hmm.
2020
Hmm.
to 44-45 Vijaynagar behind Old Court, Anjar, Kutch. Dear Meher, thank you for inviting me to Diwali vacation. For Diwali vacation,
Hmm. For Diwali vacation.
I would love to come and play with you. We will have lots of fun in Diwali. I I I would we would play a lot. We will invite everyone else too. Or I would we we would we would throw we would make lots of uh, we would have lots of fun and we would decorate
Priya, instead of we would, you can write down we will because there is something definite things that definitely we are going to have lots of fun. So you can write down we will, you may. Okay. Okay, Freya, this much is enough. I just wanted to check whether the content is correct or not. Okay. This much is enough, no problem. After Freya, may I ask you whose turn was there? Yes,
Ma'am,
Freya.
Ma'am, Kahan से
Oh,
what
yes,
are we
Kahan.
reading?
मैं मोहित.
And what are we reading?
What are we reading? Yesterday's homework, Mickey. Now, please don't ask me what was yesterday's homework. Mohito, where is my Mohito? Mohit Sharma.
Ma'am,
Come on, start reading.
dear Aunt Lily, thank you for the scarf you gave me at Christmas.
Hmm.
It's so self and I wear it every day now. Tell Uncle
Mohito,
Ramu.
Mohito. There are full stops also. There you have to stop. Then read again.
Tell
Dear
Uncle
from dear.
George.
Mohito,
Uncle,
read from dear again. Dear.
dear Aunt Lily, thank you
But
for
why to aunt? Why to aunt, dear aunt? This is a letter of accepting the summer vacation invitation, not the Thanksgiving letter.
Ma'am,
Do you
Diwali
understand?
vacation.
Diwali vacation. Then why you are writing to aunt? I had asked you to write a letter to your, come on Mohito, tell me, friend. And you have to thank him or her for calling you for Diwali vacation. So you are expected to write down, oh, thanks for calling me. I will definitely come. We will have lots of fun. Understood, Mohito? What you have written is not wrong, but the topic is different. Okay. Okay, so you will have to write it once again. Because after the school reopens, I will check your notebook. So
Ma'am,
today, you will write this again. Okay, Mohito?
Ma'am, Swati,
Okay,
ma'am, I
good
have a
boy.
question.
Yes, Kevna?
Ma'am, it can be TVI's friend only, or we can do another school's friend also.
Any friend.
Okay.
It can be me also.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, yes. Now it's Kahan.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Anushka?
ma'am, the slow internet problem. I've joined the class. So can you take my?
Okay, Anushka, but this was just we are reading yesterday's homework, nothing else. And I have not everybody alphabetically. I'm just randomly taking somebody's name. I can see Dheru is writing right now. Extra smart.
I'm writing the second one. I have written two. One inviting and one to come. Means he has also invited and
Love
I
you.
have also invited. Two
Love
I
you.
met.
So, Kahan Jain, where have you disappeared?
Yes, ma'am, I am saying.
Yes, come on, say.
Dear Aryaman, how are you? I am fine. Yes, Aryaman, I am saying you can play with me. Yes, I can play with you. Aryaman,
In the letter, are you writing dialogue writing? In
No.
one letter, both of you can say, speak.
no,
Is this a conversation on the phone?
no,
Then in the letter, how can you write down Aryaman's dialogues also?
ma'am, why?
You said
I
Aryaman,
have
can you
written
write
my
it?
only.
But then you are asking the question and giving the answer also. You can play with me. Actually, this question is itself wrong. You should ask, can you play with me? You cannot ask, you can play with me. You should say, can you play with me? And while reading the letter, how can Aryaman play with you? I don't understand that. When you are reading or writing a letter, it means, are you understanding, Kahan, to what I say?
Yes, ma'am.
Khush Kapadia, are you understanding? Okay, Kahan, continue.
I'm done.
Read the content again.
Dear Aryavan, how are you? Yes, Aryaman, I am saying you can play with. Can you play with me?
Kahan, do we write down such thing in the letter? I am saying. You are writing. You are not saying anything, Kahan. Letter writing is a written form. Okay, is a written form. In the letter, you cannot say I am writing. Array, I am saying. Okay. You can say I want to state, I want to tell you. That way you can write down. But I am saying is wrong. Okay. And now correct yourself, Kahan. It should be that, oh, I am so glad that you have invited me for vacation. We will meet each other. We will play together. We will have fun. This way your content should be. Is that clear, Kana? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Jishna Swami, have you written the letter? And then I want to ask, okay, Dhyan Dalal absent today. Okay, Jishna Swami. Yes, Jishna, please.
Okay. To dear Ramha, how are you? I am fine. I would obviously come as you invited me for Diwali vacation. And I didn't see your beautiful face and you since 11 months. It would be a pleasure to meet you at Diwali vacation. I also would be comfortable with your company. Thank you.
Wow, Krishna. Wonderful. Now read the same thing slowly and loudly. Let everybody understand. This is
Dear,
the perfect thing which I want actually. So read it aloud, loudly, and slowly so that everybody can understand. Yes,
dear
start
Lam,
reading.
to dear Lam, how are you? I am fine. I would obviously come as you invited me for Diwali vacation. And I didn't see your beautiful face and you since 11 months. It would be a
Wow.
pleasure to meet you at Diwali vacation. It also would be comfortable with your company.
Hmm. And at the end,
Thank you.
but your friend, have you written anything as that?
Yes. Love from Jishna.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Jishna, I'm proud of you. You have really written a wonderful written. Wonderful it is. Okay. Now, to whom should I ask now? Man
Ma'am.
Rajodia.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, no. I want this time some different students. Man Rajodia. Are you listening, Man Rajodia?
Ma'am, can
You are
I
there. I can see you. Man Rajodia, I want you to start reading your homework.
Ahmed's not switching his cameras off.
Yes, switched off. Yes. Lakshay, have you written, beta?
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I?
ma'am.
Please read. No, Riva. Once I said I cannot ask the same students again and again. Today I want totally different students, those who are not presenting every time. After Lakshay, it will be Shubh Singhala. After Lakshay, it will be
1109.
Shubh Singhala. Yes, Lakshay, please start reading, beta.
1109. Sham Palace. Besu Surat 395007. Date
Okay.
5 November
Mhm.
2020. Dear Kahan. Name of person. Hello. How are
Name of person you cannot write down. You cannot write down name of person. You just have to write down
okay?
here Kahan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Come on.
Hello.
Then
How are you? How the weather there? Here extremely warm. Here I hope you everyone
hmm.
is doing well.
Hmm.
I am very glad that you are inviting me at
Very good,
our
Lakshay.
place
Yes, nice. See,
for
this is what I
Diwali.
wanted. Lakshay, just a minute. This is exactly what I want, that when he has invited you for something, you are accepting his invitation. And then you are telling him, oh, how happy I am that you have invited me. Lakshay, you have written correct, beta. Please go on. This should be the content. Yes, Lakshay, please continue.
Diwali vacation. I am absolutely come
No, no,
and
no, no. I
we
want
enjoy.
definitely come. Absolutely come, nahi. Definitely come.
I definitely come and we play enjoy
We will play. You
all
should say we will play.
all Biden vacations. Things like blowing candles and dear
Enough,
first
enough, enough. Yes,
crackers,
Lakshay. I'm
enjoying.
happy with what you have written. It's good. Lakshay, enough. Shubh Singhala, start reading. Lakshay,
Ma'am,
good work.
ma'am, but I have written like Lakshay only.
Why? Is it copied from somewhere?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then it's okay. It's okay. Yes, Shubh Singhala, please.
Different way.
Uh-huh. Shubh Singhala.
Ma'am, he left.
Very good. He left. Nice. Very nice. Okay. I would like you to click a picture of your letters and then send me. Okay. Today. You will send me clicking the pictures of your letter because I want to give you marks on that. Is that clear?
Ma'am,
So,
I didn't get
write down one.
Ma'am, in the end,
Kahan,
we need to hear both. Ma'am, we have to send
both the letters you can send here. You can send me
Ma'am,
both
I
the
am
letters
sending
there.
this also.
Yes, yes, Vivan. That you had shown me when our class was starting. You had already shown me this, Vivan.
Ma'am,
Yes, Chema.
yes, we have to send in mail, right? We have
Sorry.
to send in. We have to send in mail.
In mail, yes. In mail this time. Because I have not given you any, shown you any format. Okay. Now for 3 minutes, I would like to present something. You are not supposed to write down. You are not supposed to write down anything. No writing at all. And then we will have the activity of writing our address. This is just for the reference. You will not be writing down anything. And I will scroll it down.
Ma'am, we have to read this only or we have to write also?
Are you not using your ears or you have kept your ears in your Almira? This is the sample for invitation letter. This is an example of invitation letter. The first one was accepting the invitation and this is the invitation. See how beautiful handwriting is.
No, I'm improving on my handwriting.
Read it and then I will scroll it down. Yes, Ayush?
Ma'am, I'm improving
Ma'am,
on my
read.
handwriting. When I showed my mother the letter, she was like, it's a beautiful handwriting.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so nice.
Yes, beta, let everybody read.
Ma'am, Man is there. He didn't say
Man
his
came
letter.
right now. When I was announcing his name, he was not there. Now Man is there.
Ma'am, he was there when you announced his name.
Ma'am, this handwriting is
Stop talking about Man. Man is not that important that we have to discuss about it. No need of discussing about Man. That is not an important topic. So now look at the content.
Ma'am, I was asking that the before picture you showed, that was calligraphy handwriting.
Yes, calligraphy.
Okay.
It was calligraphy.
Ma'am, I didn't know this handwriting.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Calligraphy is double rule handwriting.
Ma'am, I
So
know.
now look at the content.
I do not use and I don't copy. I make in own letter.
Yes, Lakshay.
Swati ma'am.
Yes, Lakshay. I'm proud of you for that.
Swati ma'am.
Yes, Kahan.
Ma'am, my mother takes calligraphy tuition.
Oh, wow. That's so nice. Then your handwriting must also be very good like her. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Man Rajodia, why your speaker is on? May I ask you?
I am telling that the calligraphy handwriting, I also know how to.
Good. Okay. Finish reading fast, children.
Ma'am, I've done a course for calligraphy.
Oh, good.
Ma'am, read all.
Yes, ma'am.
We read all.
Yes, beta. Do not write down anything. This is just for your reference, and I'm of course sending this everything in the classroom.
Ma'am, this sheet means this like written words.
Speak louder. You are not audible.
Ma'am, I am telling that you are sending this thing in the classroom means these letters.
Ma'am, can you scroll down? Ma'am, please scroll down. I want to read.
Thing to scroll down.
Ma'am, are these the rules for formal letters? Ma'am, are these the rules for formal letter? Ma'am?
Yes, dear. Yes. I
Okay,
said
so
yes, but I don't know. Somewhere I'm not audible, not visible. Sometime in between.
and ma'am, we don't have to write it. We just
No,
have to
no, no,
do
no,
it.
no, 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 no. Nothing to be written down.
Yes.
And now, yes, a time starts for our activity. Sending your own address with your own phone numbers. Either your parent phone number, or if you have your own tab or something, your own mobile number, anything. Start sending in the chat box your own postal address, not email address. So start sending in the chat box your full address, and if you want to copy your friend's address, you can start doing. This is our activity today. Start sending your address fully
Ma'am, can I send my phone number?
without any spelling mistake. Huh? Yes, Lama.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can I send my phone number?
Only
But
phone
for
number is
what?
not allowed.
I didn't see
Address
that.
with phone number. You cannot send me separately your phone number. Here, I am not a clerk to take down your phone numbers. I don't want your phone numbers as well. I just want your
So,
proper address with phone number, so that you should be aware of it, that what my postal address is. Okay?
ma'am, but
Yes, Mickey?
I didn't hear what. Ma'am, I had my internet is not good. So why do we have to send the address in the chat box?
Yes, because yesterday few people asked that, ma'am, I want to write down a greeting or invitation letter to this, that from our class. Then they wanted address. I said, let us have this activity. And Mickey, you
I'm going to send
four
to
also.
Jahan and I have.
Mickey, let me
Ma'am, I'm
complete.
going to send Jahan and he's going to send me. So we know each other's address.
I request you, let me complete. There are few students in grade 4 too. In grade 4 also there are few students that they still are not aware about their postal address. I want your postal address including your phone
But what's
pin code
postal
number.
address?
Pin code number, postal, not poster, postal address. That is the address which is useful for sending the letters. Okay, postal address should be perfect with phone number. Ayush Singhania, correct postal address.
Ma'am, I know that when we write in poster also, we will always write an address in 3 lines.
Yes, and
First
pin
line,
number.
building,
Yes, it should
and
be 3
flat.
lines. Correct. Rivan Patel,
In the
it should be sent in 3 lines. Riva
area,
Kataria. It should be
in
always
second,
3 lines.
area and city, and in third, Gujarat.
Lady Salia, I do not want your name. I want your address. Please check this address from your parent and then send me. Don't send me wrong address. And do not send me only phone number. Oh yes, Man Rajodia, as usual, he doesn't use ears. Man Rajodia has no habits of using ears. So not
Can I send the address?
Address along with phone number. Mr. Misdad Motiwala, 10 times I announced, only phone numbers will not be accepted. Your marks will be cut for that. Your residential postal address along with the PIN code number and phone number.
What's the postal address? Ma'am, but I asked my papa what's postal address and this is our postal address.
You have sent the phone number only. That I don't want, I said. Along with your postal address.
I sent the postal address.
That was sent before, not along with the phone number. I don't want that. I want your phone number along attached with your address. That's what I'm telling.
Ma'am, I don't know my postal address.
Ask your parents.
Ma'am, my parents also don't know.
Call your mother.
Ekansh,
Right now, call your mother.
Ekansh.
Call your mother, Rudra. Immediately call your mother.
Ma'am, now it's okay?
Yes, Vivan. Correct.
Vivan Patel.
See, Man Rajodia sending only A4. Because he has no, I think there is some problem in his ears, or then he has no habit of using his ears.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ayan. Ayan, wrong address. Get it checked by your parents. Ayan Jain, wrong address. Jishna Swami, I do not have just the line address. Nikki, if you are reading the address, you will come to know that how funny way they are using to give us the address. Ekansh?
Ma'am, see mine also.
Lakshay, your address is perfect and correct with the phone number, with the pin code number, correct. Mrs. Jain, Ekansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
May I have a word with you?
Yes,
Mrs. Jain, please. Ekansh's mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, yes.
Ekansh said that he doesn't know his postal address.
Yes, ma'am.
घर का address पता नहीं. Then I asked, yes, no problem. Ask your parents. So he is answering me, ma'am, my parents also don't know the postal address. And so I requested him that immediately call your mother. This is the answer he gave me, that my mother don't know the postal address. So please teach him what is your postal address. Yesterday this homework was given.
Doesn't end with. I don't know the postal address. This is the address only. Postal
Yes.
address means you
And that is what since yesterday I am telling them that address is called postal address. Residential address where you stay, that is called postal address. This is what I am trying to teach them since yesterday. Thank you, Jen, Mrs. Jain. Thank you, Ekant's mother. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, even I know his postal address. Need his floor.
Okay, are you
Excuse me, ma'am, is
now-
mine right?
Are you mute yourself? Mr. Motiwala, have you understood why this activity was conducted? In grade 4 also, people do not know what is postal address, what is the residential address. They don't know where they stay and they don't know how to write down the address. Few people are writing only building name of the building. Few people are writing only this road, that road. Vaidhi Salia is writing her name instead of address. So, Vansh Balchandani, address should be in 3 lines. 4th line will be your phone number. Yes, Freya Daya, correct and perfect. No, Lama, you cannot. Migdad Motiwala, it should be in 3 lines. And then the 4th line will be with your phone number. Okay, Khevna, correct. See,
Ma'am,
again,
I also have my phone number.
phone number. Only phone number, not attached with your address. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Since when? Yes, Ashwi, Trisha. Dhyan. Dhairya, perfect. Devyasha, correct.
Ma'am, is my right?
Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, I also have my own phone number.
And it is 9:40. Those who want to leave may go.
Ma'am,
you
check
Those are there in the chat box. Of course, I'm reading.
Okay, ma'am, I am
Yes,
leaving.
I'm
Thank
correct.
you.
Yes, Kanakna. You may please. Yes, Aryaman, correct.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yes.
Ma'am, please check my. Ma'am, my is correct. Bye,
Yes,
ma'am.
Kanakna. Bye, dear.
Ma'am, my. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bye,
I'm
ma'am.
sending.
Ma'am, please check mine.
Yes, Lama, it is correct.
Ma'am, I.
Good. Perfect. Yes,
Bye,
Lama.
ma'am.
Have you checked mine?
Anushka, correct.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
dear.
my phone number.
Anushka, correct.
Ma'am, it's my phone number.
Yeah. Oh, good, Rudra.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear.
Swati, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also have mine.
Bye, ma'am.
Good.
Phone number.
Bye.
Ma'am, and my father's phone number is 990-990-8383 and my phone number is 990-990-18383.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear.
Swati, ma'am. Swati, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, can you see my Mangachodia?
No, Man Rajodi, I cannot see your address.
Ma'am, do this.
I cannot see your address.
Ma'am, send mine. Is it correct?
Ma'am, my address is correct.
Yes.
Ma'am, is my address correct?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Migdad, perfect.
Ma'am, is my exact correct?
Yes, beta. Correct
Ma'am,
it
is
is.
my address is correct.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I have present my story.
Is your name there today, Vivan?
Yes, ma'am.
Then how come 2 times it is?
Ma'am means I have said the story, not in reading class, in
That
live
was
class.
different. That was different.
Ma'am. So means you will say the story name and we have to say the
No, no,
story.
no. Your own thing. No, 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 no. You will be presenting today on the spot. Whichever comes